Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we pit products against each other in an epic battle to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have a drone showdown that promises to be more thrilling than a cat video marathon. On the left corner, we have the Holy Stone HS720E, the robo-eagle of the skies. And on the right corner, it's the ATTOP Drone, the budget bird that's here to prove you don't need to break the bank to have some fun. So buckle up, because things are about to get airborne. Let's start with the all-important question. How much is this aerial thrill ride going to cost you? The Holy Stone HS720E is priced at a cool $399. That's right, folks. For that price, it better come with a butler to serve you tea mid-flight. Meanwhile, the ATTOP Drone is a wallet-friendly $109. You could buy almost 4 ATTOPs for the price of one Holy Stone. So, if you're on a budget, the ATTOP Drone is like finding a $20 bill in your old jeans. A pleasant surprise. Next up, let's talk cameras, because let's face it, if your drone can't capture your epic fails in glorious detail, what's the point? The Holy Stone HS720E boasts a 4K EIS anti-shake camera with a Sony sensor. That's right, folks, it's like having a mini Christopher Nolan in the sky, ensuring your footage is crystal clear and Oscar-worthy. On the other hand, the ATTOP Drone comes with a 1080p 120 degrees FOV camera. It's decent, but let's be real, compared to the Holy Stone, it's like comparing a Picasso to a doodle on a napkin. Reviewers praise the Holy Stone's camera quality, while the ATTOP's camera is seen as good, but not great. Now, let's see how long these sky warriors can stay airborne before they need a nap. The Holy Stone HS720E gives you a total flight time of 46 minutes with its 2 intelligent batteries. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show while it's buzzing around. The ATTOP Drone, with its 3 modular batteries, offers 30 minutes of flight time. Not bad, but it's like running a marathon with a coffee break in between. Reviewers appreciate the long flight time of the Holy Stone, while the ATTOP's flight time is seen as satisfactory. Now, what good is a drone if you need a PhD to fly it? The Holy Stone HS720E comes with fancy flight modes like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. It's like having a personal assistant in the sky doing all the hard work while you sit back and relax. The ATTOP Drone, however, has some neat tricks up its sleeve too. With voice control, gesture recognition, and even a 360 degrees flip, it's like having a pet parrot that can do tricks. But let's be honest, it's still not going to fetch you a soda from the fridge. Reviewers find the Holy Stone's controls intuitive and easy to use, while the ATTOP's controls are fun, but occasionally tricky. Finally, let's talk about noise, because nobody wants to sound like they're flying a lawnmower. The Holy Stone HS720E is equipped with brushless motors, promising whisper-quiet flights. You might just forget it's there unless it's buzzing around your head like a mosquito. The ATTOP Drone, well, let's just say it's not exactly stealth mode. If you're flying it indoors, your family might mistake it for a swarm of bees. Reviewers love the quiet operation of the Holy Stone, while the ATTOP is noted to be a bit louder. Overall, reviewers are impressed with the Holy Stone HS720E for its high quality, ease of use, and excellent camera. It's seen as a premium option that justifies its higher price. On the other hand, the ATTOP Drone has mixed reviews. While it's appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and durability, There are several reports of malfunctions and issues with the drone's performance. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone HS720E is the Rolls-Royce of drones, luxurious, powerful, and a bit on the pricey side. Meanwhile, the ATTOP drone is like that trusty old car, affordable, reliable, and gets the job done without all the bells and whistles. Whether you're looking to splurge or save, both these drones have something to offer. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments which drone you'd take on your next adventure. Until next time, stay smart, shop smart, and fly even smarter. Product links are in the description.